So here's how to share pages on Notion. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Notion account. Once you are there, now here you have to simply select the page or the page that you want to share. After that, in the top right corner of the page, you will be able to view these three dots. You have to simply click on it. Here you can choose how you want to share the page. You can make the page accessible to anyone with the link by enabling public access. This means anyone with the link can view the page without needing to sign into the Notion. Here at the bottom you will be also view to the option export the page. You can simply export the page in the PDF or sheet form and then you can share it. You can also create a CSV file and you can download this CSV file to share it. If you want to share the page with the specific individuals, you can enter their email addresses in the invite to section. They will receive an email invitation to access the page. So that's how to share pages on Notion.